love I give and my self-worth, peace in my chest, joy in my core. I got everything, watch me soar. Heaven is a place on earth, not a distant dream, but a mind rebirth. It lives in the silence, the in-between, a mirror of love, a divine scene. A mirror of love, a divine scene.
Great rising, my beautiful people. As y'all can see, I am back on the land. It's a beautiful day. So I'm back to see what can I get done today. So I'm probably gonna tackle this area over here, clear this little area, and then I may have time to start on this little area after I'm finished done with that area. And for all who do not know, I am McCoy the creator, and welcome to my channel. And on this channel, I am building my vision of heaven on earth. As I stated before, I have reclaimed some land through my birthright, and I am stewardshiping the land. I wanted to bring you guys on the journey with me of creating my vision. So if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's get to it. got most of this area cleared. Got a little bit more to go. I chopped down that tree and I used my mower to cut some of it. But like I said, it's still trees up in there that I got to try to get out of there so I can clear this area all the way. But it's coming together pretty good. I think I'm doing a good job with my mower and my chainsaw and my sword. Like I said, I'm just clearing a little bit at a time until I get my mini skid. This is all the leaves and trees that I chopped down from that area, so I'm gonna go ahead and burn it today so I won't have to burn it when I come back. And I got a little over there inside my burn barrel that I'm gonna be burning. But yeah, so let me go ahead and start the fire on this so I can sit down and rest. Okay, you guys, I am done for today. And as you can see, it's more clear back there. When I come back, I'll burn that little pile that I made. And I'll see what else I can get done. But I am enjoying cleaning this area by hand and reconnecting with Mother Nature. We're going through a purification and transformation process. Stay tuned, you guys, for my vision of heaven on earth. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.